Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial. So you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026, and it's actually easier than before if you actually get it done the right way. So I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch step by step. Your first step being creating your channel. So all you need to do is simply log on to youtube.com. That's www.youtube.com. And once you're logged in, just where we have sign in at the top right corner, go ahead and click on sign in to sign in with your Google account. So you must have a Google account in order to sign in to YouTube. So go ahead and click on the sign in option here, and you're meant to choose an account. So go ahead and simply click on use another account or add an account or anything of the likes. So I'm going to be going with a YouTube account I have access to, and just simply enter your password for this account. So go ahead and enter your password. And once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then where we have underneath your email, click on create a channel to actually create a YouTube channel. Now, all you need to do here is set up a name, a handle, and also add a profile picture, which you can then use to create your channel. But I'm just going to be leaving it blank for this video. So let's go ahead and click on create channel. And once you have done this, please make sure you bear in mind that you need to have a clear niche based name. So you can't have Voldemort for a channel that does football, or that is a tech or tutorial kind of channel. You can't be bearing the names of footballers and things of that nature, or a brand name you can grow with. So you must either have a brand name or you have a niche name. All right, so moving on, setting up your channel is quite simple. Make sure you upload a clean profile picture. Make sure your profile picture is clean, and also make sure you have a simple banner. You can get this done with Canva. So if you're looking to get this done, just open up Canva, and with Canva you can just simply on the home section you can simply search through millions of templates for something as simple as YouTube banner. So you can go ahead and search for YouTube banner. All you need to do is just enter the YouTube banner and hit enter. And then Canva would then provide you with YouTube banners you can use for your channel. If it's an educational channel, if it's content that looks like this, if you're going live, or if you want things like this, having thumbnails and banners, you can just have them at the top corner of your YouTube account. And then after the upload, make sure to write a short channel description. So you can do all of these when you either click on the profile icon at the top right and then head into view your channel. You can head into view your channel, or you could head into YouTube Studios to be able to customize your channel. So when you click on customize your channel, studio.youtube is going to open up, which is the YouTube Creator Studio. And on here, you can set a banner. You can also set your profile picture. You can also write a short channel description and then add keywords that are related to your niche. So it says here, welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights. Let's click on continue, and boom. On the customization menu from your channel, if you head over to customization and click on profile, like I said, you can add a banner image, you can add a profile picture, you can work on your name, you can also edit your handle and have a channel description, as well as edit your channel's URL, and then add external links with your viewers. So they'll be visible on your channel profile and about page. And then contact info. So let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you may enter may appear in the about section of your channel and be visible to viewers. And then if you want video watermarks, you can have them included. It is just the entire customization of YouTube that is crazy to me. You can actually get a lot of things done on here by just simply using the YouTube Studio to customize your channel and, you know, um, set yourself apart from everyone else. All right, so the next thing is to choose your content style. So basically, before you even get into YouTube, you need to know what kind of content you want to be making, what niche you want to fall under. Are you in entertainment? Are you in tutorials? Are you in tech? Are you in programming? Are you in editing? You need to know what kind of channel you want to build, and then pick a format. Either it's a talking head, screen recorded, faceless AI videos, recaps, YouTube shorts. You need to know what you want to focus on. That way, your channel gets to stand out in the niche you have selected. All right. And now the next step is uploading your first video. So you can go about uploading your first video quite simply. If you head over to the YouTube studios, if you head over to studios and then head over to your dashboard at the top of your screen here, and where we have upload, you can click on upload to simply upload or select a file that you can upload onto your YouTube channel. It's that simple. So the next step is also including a thumbnail. Now, when you've uploaded a video, there is an option to include thumbnails to them. You would find that when you actually upload a video, you'd see the option to include a thumbnail, edit your thumbnail, and things of that nature. Now, we also have optimizing for growth. So before you go ahead to publish your channel or publish your content, make sure to add keywords to the title. Make sure you write a short description and then add 3 to 5 relevant tags so people can actually notice your content. And also, last but not least, try to stay consistent, as consistency is the best way to grow a channel. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about creating a YouTube channel from scratch. No fancy gear, no experience, just consistency. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.